The market crash of 2008 was second to the Great Depression and the worst financial crisis our country's ever had. A lot of people buying homes right now, realtors, they come and ask me, when's that crash going to happen again? Because values are pretty much where they were prior to the '08 crash. You know, fortunately for us, in my opinion, it's not going to happen in our lifetime. The government did a lot of things that are going to protect us from having another crash like that, such as appraisal independence. Because in the past, we had mortgage companies, banks, realtors calling appraisers saying, hey, I need this value, get me this value. And this drove up values like you wouldn't believe. The government made a rule in 2008 and where banks, mortgage companies, realtors are not allowed to try to sway appraisals. We have real regulations now for mortgages. We have mandatory tools in place to prevent mortgage fraud. You know, the regulations where anybody can get a mortgage, you know, you didn't need to have a job essentially. Now we have real rules in place where they're going to prevent that from happening again.